Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this two-part video series, I'll be talking about the DJI Pocket 2. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, and in the next video, I'll be talking about the pros and cons of this camera. And if you're wondering why I've decided to do this in two videos, that's because I think it will be easier for viewers to navigate according to their needs. I've been thinking about getting this camera for a while now, and finally had the courage to make a purchase after getting a discount. I bought this online from Lazada for a price of around 1,900 Malaysian ringgit, which is around $635. You can purchase this camera in two colors, black and sunset white. After filming for fun over the course of a few years, I wanted to have less shaky footage and something that's easily portable to bring around when traveling, and thought this would be a good fit. I will be explaining why I think this camera is a good fit in the next video, so make sure you subscribe and keep the notification bell on for the video next week. Without further ado, I will unbox and talk about what comes together in the box. So in the box, you get a quick start guide, a disclaimer and safety guidelines booklet, and some very nice looking DJI stickers. You also get a wireless microphone windscreen, a USB-C smartphone adapter, a lightning smartphone adapter, some wide-angled lens, a mini control stick, a wrist strap for the Pocket 2, and a USB splitter charging cable. You also get a do-it-all handle that you can attach to the bottom of the Pocket 2, and you also get a tripod mount that you can also attach to the bottom of the Pocket 2. You also get a micro tripod, a wireless microphone transmitter with a clip that you can clip onto your shirt, and lastly you get a DJI Pocket 2 camera. You can connect the Pocket 2 to your smartphone or tablet via the adapter like so. And you can attach the tripod mount underneath like so. You can also attach the micro tripod like this. And here's me putting my hand around it just in case it falls, because this camera feels so damn fragile. Anyways, you can also attach the do-it-all handle below, which also has a tripod mount at the bottom, as well as the charging port at the back. Here we have the wireless microphone transmitter, which you can attach the windscreen to like this. And the wide-angled lens, which snaps onto the camera lens. Now this wide-angle lens seems to be working using magnets, and if I were to be very honest, I'm quite concerned about losing it. Finally, we have here the case with slots where you can keep your accessories and clip your wireless mic onto. The DJI Pocket 2 comes with a tracker that keeps track of objects you're filming while moving the camera and provides good image and video quality. However, the Pocket 2 seems to be able to keep track of the object well when moving the camera slowly. However, when you move the camera quickly, it doesn't seem to be able to follow the object. The Pocket 2 can film videos of up to 4K and offer resolutions to film at 1080p, 2.7K as well as 4K, and at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 and 60 frames per second. camera also allows you to zoom in and comes with 4 ways to control the operation of the gimbal, which is follow, tilt locked, FPV, as well as locked. Furthermore, it comes with options to film a time-lapse, slow-mo, as well as the story mode, which allows you to create a short film. On top of that, the camera itself also has pretty good sound quality, and the wireless mic and windscreen make it so much better and easier to record sounds. Here's how it sounds like without the wireless mic and the windscreen. Here's an example of how it sounds like with the wireless mic, and here's an example of what it sounds like with the wireless mic and the windscreen. Not only can it shoot videos, it also works as a normal camera, allowing us to take pictures at 60 megapixels or 64 megapixels and offer 2 kinds of aspect ratios. On top of that, we can also take panoramas, and it also has a countdown when you take a picture. And finally, with the DJI Mimo map, you can connect the Pocket 2 to your smartphone using the smartphone adapter and control it using your phone. Other than that, with the do-it-all handle, you can also leave your Pocket 2 at another location and control the camera from your smartphone somewhere else. This app also has something called an AI editor, which edits and creates a short video for you using the shots you've taken and selected with the Pocket 2. Here's how my video turned out. Well, I didn't expect the outcome to be that sad. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video or found it useful, please subscribe and leave a like. Oh, and by the way, if you did not enjoy the video, I'll be really grateful if you would leave a like or subscribe at least for the effort. Thank you and bye bye.